my name is Uday and we are gonna solve this puzzle together. The puzzle reads like 100 coins are lying flat on a table. 10 of them are heads up and 90 are tails up. But you can't see which one is which. How can we split the coins into two piles such that there are same number of heads up in each pile? And it is allowed to flip all the coins of one pile once. How can we do this? We must make sure that we must split the coins into two piles such that there are same number of heads on both the sides. How can we do that? First, we don't know which pile is having how many number of heads and which pile is having how many number of tails. So what we do is we just divide the 100 coins into 10 coins and 90 coins, and then we will flip the smaller pile. Then we get same number of heads on both the sides. Let us see whether the solution works for different examples. If suppose there are 10 tails, and then how many tails would be left here? 80 tails plus 10 heads. What is the next step? Next step that we did is flipping the smaller side. After flipping the smaller pile, it becomes 10 heads. Now, if we observe, the number of heads on the smaller pile and the bigger pile are same. We can check with other example also. 9 heads plus 1 tail we got on the smaller pile, and then how many tails we will be left with? 89 tails plus 1 head on the bigger pile. Then we are flipping all the coins in the smaller pile, then they become 9 tails plus 1 head, which is, again we got same number of heads on both the piles. Once again we will check with another example. Randomly we split 10 coins and 90 coins. In the 10 coins that we split, we got 5 heads plus 5 tails. Then we will be left with 85 tails, because he told that there are 90 tails and 10 heads. 5 heads were there on the other side, so we will be left with 5 heads here. Now we are flipping this entire smaller pile. All the coins in the smaller pile are flipped. Then they becomes 5 tails, 5 heads, which is, now the number of heads on both the piles are equal. So the solution is, we need to split the coins into 10 coins and 90 coins, and then the smaller pile must be flipped completely. Then we will get the same number of heads on both the piles. Suppose if you want to get same number of tails on both the piles, in that case you need to flip the bigger pile. In that case you will be getting the. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe and follow Chatru IT Learnings for more such content.